Camera roll, shoe closet organization / alteration. So this is the look of the before. I started some organization back in 2019, but I just keep changing things up and finally got an idea of how to do something different. Hi, welcome back to Alter My Closet. I'm Jennifer. How are you guys doing today? Guess where I'm at today? My shoe closet. So I'm altering my shoe closet, making some changes, and that's pretty much what alteration is all about, just making changes. And so I'm excited today because I've been wanting to film doing the organization of my shoe closet. That was my first project I was going to present on YouTube back in 2019. I didn't really know how to go about doing it. Then when the pandemic hit, of course everything was kind of shut down, so I wasn't encouraged or motivated to do it. And so after I started doing my YouTube channel, I didn't start with the shoe closet, but I started with alterations. And of course, like I said, doing alterations at any point in life, or in your home, anywhere, it's making a change. So here I am making this change to my shoe closet. So when I first started, what got me excited was I was trying to throw away shoe boxes, those that were busted up and everything, and I was gearing to organize my shoes in these storage bins. They do call these shoe boxes, but this can be used for, it's a multi-purpose storage box. But I've been buying these, like when I first got the idea, pretty much anywhere I went, to the dollar store, Walmart, Bath and Body, I was just buying them up. So I ended up buying about 20 or 30 of them, using them around the house. And so I figured these would be appropriate for my shoe closet. So, pretty much just trying to organize. I will show you pictures of the before and after. And right now I'm in the middle of organizing these by colors, and hopefully by flats, styles, different things like that. But have you ever thought about colorizing your shoe closet? Put all your red shoes in one area where that's all your red shoes, all your white shoes in another area where that's all your white shoes, all your black shoes in one area. Well, that's what I'm trying to accomplish. And then this right here, I'm gonna use these for flats. I have been using it for flats pretty much, but I need to go through and throw away some of these flats here and just create some new look. Okay, and then if you notice here in the background, this is a metal rack. When I first moved to this home that I'm at, I did put this metal rack in here, and this has been a great help for me. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. And then this section here is really a what do you call it? Coat closet. So it's a coat closet transformed to a shoe closet, because I don't like the idea of mixing my shoes in with my clothes, because of all that dirt that we track from the shoes. So I just made this into my shoe closet where it's separate and holds that smell, whatever it is. Ultimately, what I wanted to do is to put a deodorizer also in there, and just kind of fancy it up a little bit. On top here is a wooden shelf that was already installed there. So what I did was to pack my boots on top. And so I have that area for my boots. I'm going to do the middle section for my dress shoes. And then I have under this rack, I'm going to use a storage bag that I have for like flip-flops, you know, those flatwear sandals, stuff like that. And then this here is going to be my flats. All right, so I'm working through this process here. And by the way, I have some vintage shoes here, guys, that I will just not let go of. And one day they're going to be reincarnated. Look at this here. See the square toe shoe? I used to have to wear these more so because I used to have problems with my toes, especially my little toe. It used to just curve in, and I used to have a split under it, which was very painful. So I invested in a couple of these square mouth shoes. And so that's why pretty much you see these here, and these are boots. But to me, these are vintage. I had these when I lived in New York. There used to be this nice shoe store that used to be on the block, and my cousin and I, her name is Jennifer as well. We used to hit up this store all the time, and you know, any new style of shoes that came in, you know, fancy heels, stuff like that. You know, we used to buy them. But just imagine, these shoes are so strong. And look at the heel, guys. This will kill a cow. But yeah, but you know, look at the color. I think this is a nice color. Kind of matches here too. So just imagine, picture this with some jeans, right? And you know, like some bootleg jeans. And I just think that looks so cute. And of course, this is a boot. But you know, you have to be in certain climate to be wearing these. But don't laugh. But when I saw these, I just, you know, I was like, oh yeah, I'm not getting rid of those shoes. They were expensive shoes, and I kept them over the years, and I am still loving the look. I'm not really enjoying it yet as far as wearing it, but I'm loving the look. So okay, guys, I will be back later with some progress. All right, are you ready for the finished look? Ta-da! I'll give you a quick preview. So what I did was just to use what was already in the shoe closet. I didn't go out and buy anything new. So I would encourage you, if you're doing any kind of organization to any of your closets, to look around, see what you have that you can repurpose or reuse. Things are just so expensive now, so I'm trying to be cost effective. Those shoe boxes, I bought them years ago. You know, I bought enough to use around the home, use in different areas, so I just repurposed those. You know, and I did buy a majority of them for these shoes for the project I wanted to do, you know, before the pandemic. So I have the shoe boxes, and I have that shoe rack right there, and this over the door shoe organizer, and then I also have the shoe bag that you see at the bottom there. So on the top, I organized my boots. In the middle section, those are my work shoes, dress shoes, and I organized them by color. At the bottom, I have my flip-flops and some other little flat sandals. I have a couple of pairs or a few pairs of sneakers in the corner. And then here I have my flats, and I did organize them by color as well. That will just make it easier for me when I'm, getting dressed and looking for a particular shoe, I know, exactly where to find it because I organized by color. Um, I did put a few accent pieces here. One is that fatigue mat. It says live, laugh, love. So I just placed that there just for some, accent look, like I said. And then this is a painting that I did back in 2016, guys. This is when I lived in Atlanta. I went to a sip and paint event and painted these black pumps with red bottoms. So I just think this is appropriate for my shoe closet. I had it at another place in the house, so I just decided to move it and add it here. Tell me what you think about this, but I think it's appropriate. So I'll just put it on the wall here, and pretty much that's it. What I also did was to put some peppermint oil on the rugs, just to keep away bugs, spiders, things like that. The creepy crawlers, they're looking for places to be cool during the summertime. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, comment, let me know what you think. If you got any tips from the video or any ideas, please let me know. If you have any suggestions or ideas for me, also let me know. But yeah, pretty much that's it. I hope you guys also had a good Father's Day with your father. My father passed away last year. Then I thought about, him, he wasn't here for me to call and say, hey, happy Father's Day. But yeah, I hope you guys, had a good day, special day with your fathers. And fathers, you deserve all the best, doing all this good work with your children and, also, helping others as well. So stay blessed, stay encouraged, and stay lifted up in the Lord. But thank you guys for joining me today. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe, become a subscriber, and grow my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.